If your Shark vacuum cleaner isn't very old, maybe you've only had it a few weeks and it's already lost suction, you're not alone. This is my customer's vacuum. She's only had it a few weeks and it's already got zero suction. Let's find the hidden cause. The first thing to check if you have poor suction are the filters. Now, Shark recommend to clean these once a month on most of the new models. So go away, clean them, dry them, and this will often cure the loss of suction. If you've already done this though, like my customer has, it's time to find the hidden cause. Our first step is to lay the vacuum cleaner down on the floor, and at the bottom of the floor head on most models you'll see 3 little screws where you can undo the sole plate. With a coin, turn these screws and then pull the sole plate off. If you don't have them, don't worry about it too much. We now need to remove the handle with the hose on from the vacuum cleaner. Next, get a small coin and pick the vacuum cleaner up by the wand. Now we're going to drop the coin down the wand and hopefully it should come out of the floor head. If it doesn't, then we have a blockage somewhere. We can release the wand to look down that's not a problem. If your coin has made it past that, then the blockage is in the floor head and you can normally get something long and poke it through, being careful not to damage the hose inside your floor head. If your floor head is clear, we now need to double check the hose. We've already taken the handle off the wand, so if we just unclip the hose from the back of the body, now get your small coin and drop it down the hose. We're hoping for it to come out the other end. And on this one, it hasn't. My customer couldn't find this blockage for love nor money. So what we're going to do, we're going to quickly clear it. Now to do this, plug the hose back into the vacuum cleaner, and we're using the vacuum cleaner's power to help us. Get something long. I'm using a little bit of bamboo cane, and we're just going to poke it into the handle. But be careful not to damage the hose because they sometimes pierce at the other side of the handle. So poke this through, the blockage will clear and your suction will be back up to new. I hope this video has helped you find the hidden cause of your suction loss. If you need to clean your filters, check out this next video. That shows you exactly how to do it. Remember, we need to do this regularly, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face. You own a Shark now, so one day you might need me again.